Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. This is a sneak peek because we've just received this beautiful truck on the lot and we wanted to show it to you. It is a 2017 F-350 Lariat in shadow black with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and an 8-foot box. It has a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel engine. It's a V8 and a 4x4. It has an FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. It also has the chrome package, which gives you chrome handles, bumper, running board, and grille. And it also has a camper package and a fifth wheel prep tow package, as well as the Lariat Ultimate package, which includes navigation, twin panel moonroof, as well as lane keeping. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. And don't forget, this is just a quick look in, so check back soon. There'll be more pictures and a full-length video.